Hey guys, it's Dee from Gastrofork here. Today I'm unboxing a gift I got from Natalie, the Moment lenses. I've been wanting to step up my game, but didn't want to purchase a new DSLR or mirrorless camera because, let's face it, they're pretty expensive, and although I love my DSLR, it's become pretty obsolete in the last couple years. I have my phone with me wherever I go. It's basically my first item I shoot with, even when I do have my DSLR anyways. Mostly because I want to share it right away to Instagram, and also because my phone was taking better photos than my camera. With Moment lenses, you just need to purchase a phone case that will be compatible with your lenses and you're good to go. The phone case is for my Google Pixel. It's durable and rubbery, which is great for my phone. It's also not too thick, which means I can keep it in my pocket still. The case itself has a mounting interface for their lenses. For Christmas, Natalie bought me the wide 18mm lens. The lens itself has a good weight to it. It's super easy to snap onto your case. It's got a lens cap that's easy enough to place onto the lens and keeps it from getting dirty. It also comes with a pouch to store your lens in when you're not using it. It's also super easy to throw into your bag or in your pocket like I usually do. I wanted to show you the difference in shooting with the wide lens versus my regular camera, and so I took a couple videos and a couple photos so you could see the difference. Overall, I really love this lens. I want to add more to my collection. It helps a lot when I'm on the go shooting at events or restaurants. It's a lot easier to bring around. It's portable, it's not as heavy as bringing a traditional camera around. And for what I do, it makes a lot more sense for me to carry this around. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, and subscribe for more great videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye!